Welcome to Gideon Grammar Booklet Level 1K, where the student should complete 2 pages each day. In this booklet, the student will learn complete subject and predicate, subject pronouns, you, your, and your, and punctuating and writing street addresses. The first concept is complete subject and predicate. A complete subject is all of the words in a sentence that tell who or what the sentence is about. A complete predicate is the verb and all other words that complete the sentence. Here's an example of what that means. A frog hopped away. So we ask ourselves, who or what hopped? Or who or what is the sentence about? Well, it's about a frog. So a frog is the complete subject, a and the word frog. Then we ask, what did the frog do? Well, the frog hopped away. So a frog is your complete subject and hopped away is your complete predicate. In another example, a young girl walks to school. We ask ourselves, who or what walks? Or who or what is the sentence about? Well, it's about a young girl that is young. So the words a, young, and girl would be your complete subject. Now we ask ourselves, what does the young girl do? Well, the young girl walks to school. So remember that our complete predicate is the verb and all other words that follow. So walks to school is the complete predicate. So we have a young girl, which is your complete subject, and walks to school, which is your complete predicate. Next, we have subject pronouns. A subject pronoun is used to replace a person or thing as the subject of the sentence. The subject pronouns we are working with are it, he, she, they, and we. In this example, the students study math. We can replace the students with the pronoun they, and it does not change the meaning of the sentence. So instead of the students study math, we would say they study math. In another example, my new bike is fast, we can replace the complete subject, my new bike, with the pronoun it, without changing the meaning of the sentence. So my new bike is fast becomes it is fast. Next we have you, your, and your. First, you is a pronoun used to refer to a person. Blank run very fast, where fast describes how a person runs, so we would use the word you. You run very fast. Next we have your, which is a possessive pronoun. I love blank sweater. Here, sweater belongs to a person, so we use your. I like your sweater. Last is the word your, which is a contraction of you and are. So we have blank, a nice girl. Nice is describing a person, so we use the contraction you apostrophe re, you're a nice girl. Last, we have capitalizing and punctuating street addresses. It is important to capitalize and punctuate certain letters and words in a written address. Here's an example. 415 West Mill Road, Coppell, Texas 75019. First, we will capitalize the first letters of the street name and the city, and we capitalize both letters of an abbreviated state. So we have the street name, the city, the state, and the zip code. Use a comma to separate things which don't belong together, like the street name and the city. Also separate the city and state with a comma. But do not abbreviate the state with a period or separate the state from the zip code with a comma. So with that being said, try to remember that there should be no punctuation marks at all between the state of an address and its zip code.